Right, just a quick video about something what you could bear in mind in a crap hits the fan, apocalypse situation. Something what could go in a bug out bag or something. It's a portable man trap. Fairly quick to deploy and make, and then you can have a load of them in a bug out bag, set them about, and you've got like yourself an well, a man trap, an alarm if you will, you know what I mean. So 2 pieces of wood. I put a bolt because I did put a screw but it kept coming undone. A screw with a washer, what is kind of so one of the pieces of wood, it will pass over the tops, the heads of the nails, so that makes sense. But you see, obviously this is not portable at all. Very hard to kind of take around or, you know, put in a bag. But once you've done, you don't have to do the holes I did, by the way. Once you've took it apart, and what I did, I just drilled some holes down there where these stick in, just to keep it all together. Portable burglar alarm.